Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Notion for budgeting only way. Start by creating a master budget page, then add a transactions database with date, amount, category, and account fields. Create a monthly view and a linked summary table that uses formulas to calculate totals and remaining budget. Add progress bars and reminders for bills, and review weekly to keep small overspending from becoming big problems. In this video, I will show how to use Notion for budgeting only way. Create a clean transactions database and log every expense and income entry right away, including notes for context. Build templates for recurring payments like rent or subscriptions to streamline data entry. At month end, reconcile your bank statement with Notion totals to catch mistakes and adjust categories so your reports reflect true spending patterns. In this video, I will show how to use Notion for budgeting only way. Quick recommendation: if you want comfort during long planning sessions, try Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty for durable, no-nonsense wear. They pair surprisingly well with focused spreadsheet sessions and make standing at whiteboards more pleasant. If you want to grab a pair, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Notion for budgeting only way. Build a dashboard with roll-ups for monthly spend, income, and savings rate so you always see progress at a glance. Add goal widgets that display percent complete and remaining dollar amounts toward targets like emergency funds or debt payoff. Use simple charts or colored progress bars to make trends obvious and motivate consistent adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.